Welcome to my channel. Have you ever noticed that Chrome isn't showing search suggestions when you type? In this video, I'll show you how to enable search suggestions in Google Chrome step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. Now, scroll down and click on Sync and Google Services. Look for the option Improve Search Suggestions and make sure it is turned on. To apply the changes, close and reopen Chrome. Now, when you start typing in the address bar, search suggestions should appear. That's it. You've successfully enabled search suggestions in Chrome. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.